This is the Euprymna scalops, or more commonly known as the Hawaiian bobtail squid, and today I'm going to tell you why it should definitely be your favorite animal. Before I can explain just what makes this squid so incredible, we need to understand a little something called quorum sensing. Quorum sensing is the ability of bacteria to coordinate gene expression according to the density of their local population. Since bacteria are single-celled organisms, they're not able to accomplish much on their own, but in groups they can accomplish a lot more. But how are bacteria supposed to know if they're alone versus when they're in a community if they cannot see or talk to each other? This is where quorum sensing comes into play. This particular bacteria, called Vibrio fischeri, has a special property that allows it to make light, or bioluminescence. On its own, the bacteria does not light up, but when its surrounding cell population becomes dense enough, it produces light. In recent years, scientists have discovered that the way these bacteria communicate is through a sort of chemical language. The bacteria possess a special signal-producing enzyme which is constantly secreting small signaling molecules similar to hormones. These bacteria also possess a receptor protein on the cell surface. When these bacteria are alone, the secreted molecules simply float away into the surrounding environment. However, when the population of bacteria is dense enough, the signaling molecules are more abundant and they are received and transduced by the bacteria's receptor proteins. This signals them to begin producing light, allowing all of the bacteria to light up synchronously. Now, how does this apply to the Hawaiian bobtail squid? Well, it just so happens that a large number of these Vibrio fischeri bacteria make their home in specialized lobes on the underside of the squid. The two organisms are symbiotic, meaning that they live together for mutual benefit. In exchange for a home and nutrients, the Vibrio fischeri are able to help the squid while it's hunting. The squid is nocturnal, so it hunts at night, and the bacteria are conveniently connected to its circadian rhythm, or sleep-wake cycle. Since the water is so shallow where the squid lives off the coast of Hawaii, moonlight and starlight are able to penetrate the water while the squid is hunting, causing it to have a shadow. The squid possesses special sensors on its back which allow it to gauge the amount of light shining down on it. The squid also possesses special shutters which open and close, allowing it to match the amount of light shining from above by projecting the light produced by the Vibrio fischeri onto the ocean floor. This prevents the squid from having a shadow and allows it to sneak up on prey or hide from predators. During the day when the squid is sleeping, a special pump in its body pumps all the dead bacteria out, reducing their numbers to a point where they no longer make light. Then, the bacteria reproduce throughout the day. At night, their numbers increase enough for them to begin producing light once again. I don't know about you, but that is probably one of the coolest things I've ever heard. And you would be lying if you said this squid is not your new favorite animal.